In this video, I will show you how to keep your iPhone screen on by disabling auto lock. First open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Now scroll down and tap Auto Lock. Here you can select 30 seconds all the way to 5 minutes before your screen locks. If you want to keep your iPhone screen always on, then choose Auto Lock to Never. Now if you try to change your auto lock time, but if it is grey out, that means low power mode is on. Low power mode on iPhone and iPad forces auto lock to remain at 30 seconds to conserve battery life. To stop auto lock from being grayed out, just open battery options from settings, and from here just disable low power mode. Now if you try to change the auto lock, you can easily do so. So that is how you can keep iPhone screen on by disabling auto lock. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.